Hello, welcome to this Checkmate in 3 chess puzzle. This one was created by Samuel Loyd in 1876. Black has the king and just 4 pawns. White has the king, the queen, and a knight. It's White's turn. Can you see the Checkmate in 3? Checking the king with the queen by taking the pawn on f6 only gets you a checkmate in 4. After the king takes the knight, takes a few moves to get the queen in. That can keep pushing the pawn, but you can eventually mate in 4. Moving the queen to a5 to check the king doesn't get you a checkmate in 3. The king can move to e8 and check again with the queen. The king can have an escape square. Then moving to h8 doesn't get you the mate in 3 because the king still has another escape square. Moving the queen to a1 only gets you a checkmate in 4 and not 3. Black can push the pawn and then move the queen to a8. The king can then move to e8. You can then do a reveal check with the knight. King moves to f7, but then you can move in with the queen for the checkmate in 4, but not 3. Taking the pawn on e4 with the queen is another checkmate in 4, but not 3. The king can move to e8. You can then check with the queen. King can then move to f8. And then you can prepare to move the knight in. King can't move, so black advances the pawn. Then you can checkmate in 4 with the knight. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 3 for white, you need to move the queen to b2. If black takes the knight with the king, you can then move the queen to b6. The king can no longer move, so they have to push a pawn. And then you can move the queen to c7 to checkmate in 3. The king moves to e8. Then you can move the queen in to f6. Black has to push a pawn, and then you can move the queen to e7 to checkmate in 3. If black's response is to push the e4 pawn, you can then move the queen to g2, and then if black pushes the pawn again, you can move the queen to g8 to checkmate in 3. If black pushes the pawn on e6, you can then move the queen to a2. If black pushes the pawn again, you can then move the queen to g8 to checkmate in 3. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.